Hello everybody! Okay, so as you saw in the title, today we are going to be doing a super cool cat box. Let me move the frame a little so you can see everything. Okay, I think that's good. So, I'm just going to be waiting for some people to jump on so we can get started. Okay, so we're just going to wait for people to jump on. I'm going to see if I'm going to flick through the filters while we're waiting for people to jump on. And thank you for everyone if you're watching the replay right now. Okay, we have one person on right now. Okay. So, let's get started. So what we're going to be doing, I think my dad's on here, so Dad, can you please share this?
I will.
Thank you. Okay, so you have two people on now. If that's my mom, oh, nope, 3 now. Okay, so now we're going to get started. So what we're going to be doing today, as you see in the title, super cool cat box. Well, we actually have a filter on right now, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, so today we're going to be doing the super cool cat box. Right now it's backwards, so if you look at it like that, you can possibly see it. So super cool cat box. This is backwards right now, but for me it's forwards because of screens. Oh, and I have a special guest joining me, as you heard her. Indy! She says hello. So today I'm going to be making this for my beautiful cat, Indy. Stop being a sassafras. Okay. So we're going to be making this for her. We're going to be making her a super cool cat box. She just whacked me in the face. And we're going to be making her a bed. So this used to be my old folder. Thank you for ripping it up. And she always goes in it, as you can see. She loves to be in it. And she would always tear up my papers and make them all full of cat hair. No thanks. Indy, stop. Stop. No clawing the bed. This is what's going to be making into your bed. So I'm going to tell you. No. No. Pans, no. What is with her today? Hey! So I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own cat or little monster full of hair a bed out of your folder box. I'm still mad at her for that because she keeps on doing it every time I'm working or something. She'll just lay in this with all my papers. Okay, so I'm going to tip you out right now. Or if you want to stay in here, you can. Come on, let's tip out. And she is off. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you the materials you're going to be using to make the super cool cat box. So first, you can get a wine box or any size box that you like. And what I wanted to do is that for my folders, I dipped it down. But when I make it into a super cool cat box, it looks like it's really tilted nicely. So that's pretty cool because it's going to be sitting sideways like that. So looks cool. So one, you need a box. I wanted to cut it open to the side, but you don't have to do that. Second, you need your dad's old t-shirt. Has to be like an O neck, so then it can make something really cool. And then you're gonna need old fluffy fabric, or you can just use a pillow. I want to use my old fabric so I can actually use it. And this is gonna prevent your cat or fluffy, hairy animal who tries to kill you every day from tearing up the box. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put your box like this, your dad's old t-shirt, open it like this, and what you're gonna need to do is open the bottom. It doesn't matter which way you put the t-shirt on it. It can be front, it can be the back, it can be any way. You just have to put it over the box. And why I'm using my dad's old t-shirt is because he uses a large, and this box is pretty big, so I'm using his old t-shirt, and because he let me. So you just gotta push the box in there, and you wanna make where the hole for the neck, you wanna make it kind of like at the end. So I want it to be like, this is gonna be my bottom, so Indy will be able to crawl in through there. So just, you wanna kind of sort of stretch it out a little if needed. Or just do this, which is always easy and fun. Flip it over, and you can see that the seams are sideways, so you want to tilt that back over. So hard. So this is the super cool cat box. We're not 100% finished yet, though. So now Indy has a little hole right there to poop her head in, and it's stretchy, so she can like rub around it, and it's thin, so she can scratch on it and everything, and it probably won't rip. Depends on what fabric you get. And then you have these little sleeves, which is like a robot hand. So what we want to do is we want to open right there. I'm going to take it right there. Open right there and tuck it in there. So then it looks very pretty, seamless, beautiful. And then we're going to do the same with the other one. This actually took me a while to do when I did my first time. So basically just tuck it like that. So it looks very pretty. At the end, since there's a lot more, you can either cut it, glue it, or just leave it. I'm just gonna leave it because my dad might need to seal back the shirt, just in case. So let's flip it over to the side. I'm gonna tilt the screen a little down since now we're doing the bottom. And so you can get any toys, anything you can put in here for your cat. But I'm going to use fabric that I folded up like this. So I got my old fabric, and it's like I put it in this little fluffy bag, so it's like plush almost. And so I want to get the bottom. Let me tilt this more down. I want to get the bottom of what fabric I'm using. Put my plush thing in this. This is only if you're making it from fabric. You don't have to do this for if you're going to put a pillow inside of it. So then you fold that over, and then you grab the longer end, fold that over, floop, flip that over, and tuck in it very nicely. It doesn't have to be perfect because it needs to spread out all over the box so your cat doesn't tear it up, just in case if you need it again. And then just plop it through the hole. Make sure every end is clear and make it sort of fluffy. And you can like put little pillows inside of it or put little toys. And so this is a super cute box where your cat can sleep in. And finally, I want to put the super cool cat box right there. And how to do that is you must get tape. I'm going to use my double-sided tape. Cut a little snip. ploop it right there. And then stick it on very nicely. And then try peeling off the other side. And then it looks sort of clear. And then you ploop on Super Cool Cat Box logo. And you have yourself a super cool cat box. Okay, so this was a very short one, little quick DIY. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're watching the replay, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to be unstoppable. Thanks, everyone. Bye.